In the bustling city of Paris, at the dawn of the 20th century, a revolution was brewing, not in politics, but in art. This was the era of Cubism, a radical movement that would forever change the landscape of visual aesthetics. Among the pioneers of this geometric revolution were Pablo Picasso and Georges Braque. Both artists, driven by a desire to break free from the conventional, began to experiment with fragmented forms and multiple perspectives. Their work was a reflection of the chaotic urban landscape they inhabited, a world where time and space seemed to meld into one. One fateful day, Picasso, in his studio on Rue du Bois, picked up a still life of a guitar. He began to dissect it, fragmenting its form into geometric shapes. He saw the world not as a single, coherent whole, but as a collection of interconnected planes. This was the birth of Analytic Cubism. Meanwhile, Braque, working in his studio nearby, was engaged in a similar exploration. His focus was not on the deconstruction of form, but on the exploration of light and shadow. He used contrasting colors and planes to create a sense of depth, giving his work a sense of dynamism that was previously unseen. Their collaboration led to a period of intense artistic exchange, with each artist influencing the other. They would show their work to one another, critiquing and refining their respective styles. This dialogue, marked by mutual respect and creative synergy, was a testament to their shared vision. Their work was met with controversy and bewilderment. Critics denounced it as chaotic and incomprehensible, while patrons and collectors scoffed at the lack of traditional beauty. However, a small but devoted group of artists and intellectuals saw the potential in this radical new movement. They embraced Cubism, recognizing its ability to capture the essence of modern life. Through their groundbreaking work, Picasso and Braque challenged the conventions of art, pushing the boundaries of what was considered beautiful and acceptable. Their geometric Odyssey in the heart of Paris laid the foundation for the modern art movement, inspiring generations of artists to come. In the end, Cubism was more than just a movement, it was a revolution. It was a testament to the power of art to reflect and shape the times, and a reminder that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places. As we continue to grapple with the complexities of the modern world, the legacy of Cubism serves as a beacon of inspiration, reminding us that the world is not always as it seems, and that sometimes, the most beautiful things are hidden in the cracks.